Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, our Steve's Crafts and Fun. So, any guess what we are going to do today? I think you have already read the title. So, today we are going to be doing a very easy and a very nice painting. And something that is easy, we already love that. So, let's not waste the time, let's get started. And friends, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video and click the notification bell so you can get all updates of my video. Now friends, here I have taken the canvas board. Today I am going to be making my painting in this canvas board, and I have taken all of my materials of the painting. And guys, one of the most important things for this painting is tape and scissors. So do not forget to bring this tape and scissors. Now friends, what I will do is, in this canvas board, horizontally, I will just do the taping like the triangle shapes like this, and then I will leave the shapes, then I will do the taping, then I will leave the space. Yes, now friends, here I have done the taping, and while making these triangles I make 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and then I have done one change that I have just taped. I have just pasted this 1, 2 tapes over here, and now we will start the painting. So for the painting here I have taken 4 sets of colors. So for this first blocks I will use Prussian blue and white. So first I will make the dots over here. Just a minute. Yeah, like this. Little bit over here, little bit over here, and little bit over here. And then I will just use white, little bit over here and little bit over here. Now friends, what we have to do, I have taken one brush and applied some water, and I am just tapping it. We don't have to do anything, we have to just tap. This painting is so easy, just you have to tap it and the painting will be get ready. Now friends, if the paint will be applied on this tape, don't worry, we have to just take it out. So but remember that the paint should not get from this side. So we'll just tap it, and again I will do this side also. This is a very easy and quick painting that we can make at our home. And now friends, it's done. So finally I have to give some white shade over here. So I will take out the white color, and where I have given the white shade is, I will just put a little bit of white over here also, and just over here, and just tap it because it gets some highlighting show. I'll give some over here also, and yeah, it's now done. Now friends, as if our blue is done and I've washed my brush also, so our second set of the paints are, this is my light chrome green, it is just like some fluorescent green, and this is my dark green. So first I will apply my dark green like I have applied my dark blue color. So here also, little bit of here, a little bit of here, and just over here because here water is there. At the starting of the paint the water comes. So I'll put this fluorescent green. So if you don't have tube colors, you can choose bottle colors also, and you have to just take your paint from this. Now we will just tap this. Now friends, look, we are just tapping it. It is giving a nice and a greeny color. Yeah, na? Look, it's looking very nice, highlighting shades and all. So we'll just continue this. Now friends, green is also done, and I have also washed my brush. Now I am taking here lemon yellow. First I will take the orange, and then I will put the dots of the orange like this. 3 over here, 1 over here, 1 over here, just a little bit of at the corners. And now I have taken here lemon yellow for highlighting, because lemon yellow gives a very good shade of highlighting. And yeah, look, I have put it the lemon yellow, and now we will just apply a little bit of water and just tap it. And we will just continue this. Now friends, look, this color is also done and it is looking very nice. Now we will wash the brush and do the fourth part. So friends, for the fifth set I have fluorescent orange and purple. So first I will apply fluorescent orange. Yes, look, fluorescent orange is very good color for highlighting. And yes, I'll some apply over here, some of the apply over here. And now I will apply this my purple color, violet. Some of the little amount than fluorescent orange. And over here I'll just apply a little bit, and here also. Yeah, now that's it. Now we will just tap it. Actually first we will tap the fluorescent orange, because when it will get mixed properly, then it will not look good, it will not look highlighting. So first we will do fluorescent orange. So friends, as if I have done some of the orange, so I am just mixing this purple violet color, and it looks good. Look, some dark color and some bright color. Yeah, it's looking very nice. And now we will do the same here. Now friends, it's look almost done, and it is looking very nice also. And we will wait for 2 minutes, at least it will get dry, and it get dry very soon, so we will not wait for more minutes, we will only wait for 2 minutes. Friends, our color is dried, and now we will remove the tapes. I'm so excited. So let's remove the tape. Wow, oh, it's looking nice, but from here it is tape, so I'll just take it out. Yep, just a minute. Yay, look. Okay, there are more tapes over here. Wow, look guys, it is looking so good. And now I will just take out this tape also. Wow, and now we will take out these tapes. So I'll just take it up, and tada, it's removed. Now this time, oh yes, now this one, oh, from here I think so. Tada! Look friends, it's finally done, and I'll show you. Look, this is from the starting, and you can place it both ways, like this also and like this also. So look guys, it is looking nice or not? I think it is looking awesome, because it's too easy, 2 मिनट में बन जाती है, and wow, इतने highlighting look आ रहा है ना. So अब मैं आपको एक मिनट wall में place करके दिखाती हूँ. Now look friends, I'm here, and look, I've placed in the wall. So how it is looking? Please tell me in the comment section. It's looking awesome, and if you don't want to place like this, you can place like this also, because this painting can be placed both the ways. So guys, how it is looking, please tell me in the comment section. It's looking awesome. I just love it, and when this lockdown will open, I'll just frame this. So if you like this painting, please tell me in the comment section, and please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell also, so that you will get all the updates of my video. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll be very soon with another video.